In this video, we will study number systems and real numbers. So, number system consists of real numbers and real numbers can be divided into two categories: rational numbers and irrational numbers. Again, rational numbers can be divided into two categories, which are fractions and integers. Fractions and integers. Irrational numbers can be further divided into two categories, which are fractions and integers. Then again, integers can be divided into two categories, which are negative numbers, negative integers, and whole numbers. Then again, whole numbers can be divided into two categories: 0, 0, and natural numbers. So basically, this is the flow chart that real numbers can be divided into two categories: rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational number can be represented in the form of p by q. Irrational numbers cannot be represented in the form of p by q. Then we have fractions. Then we have rational numbers can be divided into fractions: 1 by 3, 2 upon 3, 3 by 4, like that. And then we have integers. Integers can again be divided into two parts: negative integers and whole numbers. And whole numbers can be again be divided into two parts: 0 and natural numbers. So now we come to natural numbers. Natural numbers are the set of non-fraction numbers, non-fractional. They are not in fraction and they are from 1 to infinite. So natural numbers consist of 1, 2, 3, 4, similarly up to infinite or n. They are represented by capital N. So natural numbers are those numbers which are not in fractions and they are from 1 to infinite. They are denoted by capital N. So sum of two natural numbers is always a natural number. Sum of two natural numbers is always a natural number. And a difference of two natural numbers may or may not be a natural number. So if suppose we have 3 minus 4. Now both 3 and 4 are natural number, but their difference is minus 1. So minus 1 is not a natural number. Minus 1 is a negative integer. So it is not a natural number. But the sum of two natural numbers is always a natural number. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So it is always a natural number. So this is how we do it. Now we come to whole number. All the natural numbers including 0. So when we include 0 in natural numbers, then they are called as whole numbers. So 0 plus natural numbers. So it is from 0 to infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Or say n, small n. Small n. So whole numbers consist of 0 and natural number. In whole number, 0 is also present and natural number. So it is called as whole number. It is denoted by W, capital W. Now we come to integer. Integers are all natural numbers. Their negative of all natural numbers and 0. So all natural numbers and negative of all natural numbers and 0. So integers are consisting of all natural numbers, negative of all natural numbers and 0. So it is denoted by I. So I is equal to, it starts from minus infinity. So let's say minus n. Then it comes to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Then all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So we have all the natural numbers 1 to 4 are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n are all the natural numbers. Then the negative of these natural numbers, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, it is the negative of these natural numbers up to minus n and 0. So 0 is also included. So all natural numbers, negative of all natural numbers and 0 makes the set of integers, and it is denoted by capital I. Capital I is used to denote integers. Now integer can also be divided into two, negative integer and positive integer. Integer can also be divided into two, negative integers and positive integers. So integers can be divided into two, the negative integers and positive integers. Negative integers are denoted by I minus or Z minus, and positive integers are denoted by Z plus. Negative integers are denoted by I minus or Z minus, and positive integers are denoted by Z plus or I plus. So Z minus is equal to set of negative integers. So from minus n to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. These are the negative integers, and positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So now we come to non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Non-negative integers are positive integers plus 0. So non-negative integers are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. Zero, 1, 2, 3 up to n. It is also, this is also we studied previously, this is also a group of whole numbers. So non-negative integers or whole numbers are same. Zero is neither counted as negative integer or nor positive integer. In negative integer also 0 is not here, and in positive integer also 0 is not here. But in non-negative integers 0 is present, and in non-positive integers also 0 is present. Non-positive integers are 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to minus infinity or minus n. So 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer, but if we talk about non-negative integers then 0 is counted, and if we talk about non-positive integers then also 0 is counted. So now we come to rational numbers. So rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form p by q. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are not equal to 0. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form p by q, where p by q are not 0, like 1 by 3 or 2 by 5 or 3 by 7. So, and irrational numbers are the numbers which are not rational. So, the numbers which are not rational are called as irrational numbers. So, in the next exercise we will try to prove how some number is an irrational number or not a irrational number. So, we will, in the next video we will do some examples. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.